Welcome back to the channel, guys. Tool review is what we'll call this. So, got a Porter cable Sawzall here. Reciprocating saw, for if you want to call it that. 4 amp hour battery pack. Just burned it up this weekend. It's only it's only a few years old. I'm very hard on equipment. It gets used consistently on pretty much a weekly basis at this point. It gets used for everything. So burn that up. So I got some, Milwaukee stuff. I also got some Ryobi stuff. I got some Bauer stuff. So I was like, all right, I need another cordless saw. I got a buddy that worked in a shop, and he's like, the cordless Ryobi stuff, he's like, do not buy. He's like, if you're going to use it to the extent I use it, which is on a weekly basis, basically, for heavy use, he's like, do not get Ryobi. He's like, for once or twice a month use for cutting up branches and sticks or something, yeah, Ryobi is fine. But I use mine for in a shop, etc. So I decided, instead of spending, I think the Milwaukee Fuel Sawzall was like $250. This is what I think I saw on the Home Depot site, and I wasn't spending that kind of money on a saw. So I went ahead and said, I'm gonna get this. Got the Hercules. I did go with the brushless. I think the non-brushless one was, so this was $74 today at Harbor Freight, and I think the regular one was like $54, so you save like $20 if you don't get the brushless. But I want to see what it's made of. I follow a couple different YouTubers, Trailmater. He runs a shop, and he pretty much strictly runs Hercules on everything he does. And he does a lot of off-road recovery and such out in Arizona. So he's hard on his stuff. So if it works for him, it should be good for me. I did go ahead and I picked up the two pack of batteries, plus I got the starter kit because I need the charger, which it came with the battery. So now I've got 3 batteries, and we're gonna go from there. And for good measure, I just went and bought a cheap electric saw that I will more than likely burn up sooner than later. Figured I'd start with that for the project I'm working on right now outside, because I'm close to a power source. So I'm just going to use that for right now, because I'm literally cutting in the dirt. But yeah, picked up some more some ratchet straps and a little bug zapper. But yeah, so that's the tool review. Porter cable has been a great product for me. I've used it for, I don't know, 5-10 years now. Just, the brand is done. There's no support behind it. The only place I can find this product is Tractor Supply, and I need something else that can keep up with me. And Milwaukee would have been that ticket, but not for that price tag right now. And Ryobi was the runner-up, but just from people I know said not to do it. So here we are with Hercules, and YouTube reviews say it's a pretty good product. So time will tell. But that's all for this video. Thanks for tuning in.